Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we are discussing the core module of syntax, that is the verb, and this video is very interesting for all of you. And in this video, I am giving you the new concept in language, and that is considered to be one of the complex concepts. I want to tell you that if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates about language and linguistics. And let's see what we are doing in this video, and we are going to learn the new concept, that is the syntax of the idioms. We have given you the concept that the syntax of the sentence, and if we deal all the principle and we apply all the principle on the idiomatic expression, either these expression can be accounted by the universal principle or not. This is our point, and we are taking the data of English language and see what is the syntax of the idiom. In traditional syntax, that we are discussing, in that syntax we have postulated that we have the structure, the basic structural building of every sentence, that is the V projects its structure, it assigns some role within to the DPs. The DP can be the external DP, the DP can be the internal DPs. This is our universal structure about the English language. But in this video, I am telling you that what is the syntax of idiomatic expressions. Let's see first what type of idioms we have in English language. See the idioms. This is the sentence. All hell breaks loose. This is the idiomatic expression. And we have another type of idiomatic expression, that is hit the fan. And if we make this idiomatic expression the sentence, we can say that the shit hit the fan. These are our idiomatic expression, and these sentences are showing us that these are the idiomatic expressions. And we have our universal theory, universal principle that we have applied on the data of English language in the previous videos. And let's see, if we want to account for the idiomatic expression, we must know that the very core concept. What is the core concept in the language? The core concept is that the new hypothesis. This is the verb internal subject hypothesis, VISH. This is the verb internal subject hypothesis. What it states, this is the hypothesis and this is the claim of certain linguists, and they said that the subject of the class must be introduced within the VP domain, and after that that subject will move from that position to the higher IP position, and this movement will be called a movement, argument movement. And this is the hypothesis, verb internal subject hypothesis. This is the domain of V. They states that the subject is the originator of within the VP. This is the object position and this is the subject position, and this V had assigned the theme role to the object and the agent role to the subject. And applying these hypotheses, we will generate the syntax of the idiomatic expressions. Let's see what is the syntax of WH, what is the syntax of idiomatic expressions. See the sentence. This is our sentence, and you must observe first in this sentence we have the two arguments, and in between we have the verb. How we can identify this is the verb? Because it has inflection, as present inflection. This is the present inflection, and this tells us that the tense of this sentence is present indefinite tense, and we know that the tense is in between the arguments, the theme and the agent argument position, and we can say that this is the internal argument and this is the external argument of we. And if we want to draw the sentence structure, we can say that this is the universal structure. See the diagram. Here we have the verb break. We have the verb break. It takes the V bar and the lose. I am putting here only the DP. I did not specify this. Understand? I am not specifying this domain. I am telling you that this is simple DP. If we want to split, if we want to specify this, we can specify this and we can add at this place that particular items. V bar, this is the internal argument of V, and we assign this to the theme role, and then we project the VP, and at VP we have the specifier and we have the hell. The position of the hell is this under the VP domain according to our hypothesis, VISH hypothesis. And after that, this VP is selected by the IP, and the requirement of IP is that it has the case feature, it has the EPP feature, and its specified position must be filled overtly. But the problem is that at this specified position we don't have any item. So what is the solution? The solution is that here we have the case dash DP, the hell, and this V takes this hell at its specified position, and this position will be fulfilled, and in this way our principal EPP will be satisfied, and this movement is due to the EPP feature. And this I will assign the hell or hell the case, the nominative case, and this is the present tense, and this is the weak head that is attached to the verb break, and it will become breaks. Our sentence will be the hell breaks loose. This is the syntax of the idioms, and in this video I have told you that this is the syntax of idiomatic expression. And if you don't know in any language on which you are working, you can help from this video and you can apply the theory, the hypothesis on your language, and you can find your own result. And I am giving you this, the gap in this field. You can do the research. Thank you.